theory of mind is a concept in psychology that changed the way that I interact and understand other people. And the concept itself says that when you're at a young age, when a baby's first born, up to a certain age, I think 4, 5, 6, they can't separate themselves, or younger, they can't separate themselves from other people. Meaning what they feel, what they see, what they perceive, they think that others feel, think, and perceive exactly the same way. It's not until they start to distance from that and break themselves away do they realize actually other people have their own judgments, their own opinions, their own perspectives. But the problem is, most of the time, we don't accept that separation. That actually other people have their own autonomous thoughts, feelings, experiences, reactions. And so when we're speaking to people and we expect them to show up in a certain way in a relationship, show up in a certain way at work, show up in a certain way when you're speaking to them, whatever the scenario might be, and they don't, that's where the issue comes in. Because you think, oh, I'm thinking like that, I'm feeling that way. So why aren't they doing that? Well, they're not doing that because you don't understand the concept that everyone has their own thoughts, feelings, emotions, and experiences. Imagine every person is a product of what's happened to them in the past. Now think of that again. Every person is a product of everything that's happened to them up to that point. If everything that they went through happened to you, you might show up in exactly the same way. So the theory of mind allows you to have an understanding that other people are separate from you. They're not the same. They have their own opinions, their own views, their own experiences that they're bringing to the world. So when you interact with people, if you can be sympathetic to that, if you can be empathetic to that, if you can understand that, you're more likely to win them over.